It's from Momaganya. Feed Locote. Well, if you're like me and you're broke as fuck and you're bored, try and lower one of these motherfuckers. Usually a flip kit for the leaf spring and shit, right? This right here works like magic. You just gotta trim down a little bit right here. They sell them at every fucking store. Auto parts store, actually. They're to tighten mufflers. So these right here, like $6, $5, 3-inch, whatnot, fit perfectly on the bottom, shaving down a little bit right here. So show you what I mean. Alright. That bullshit right there. To lower this shit, you need one of these down there. Right here. So I just, bought the cheapest thing. Muffler clamp. That's what it's called. I'm gonna put this right here. 3-inch. So without having to order and all that, you get one of these and you put it down here. Right? You gotta shave down a little bit right here. But the cool thing about this, it has this U clamp. So you could tie in and adjust alignment however you want. And if you work with this stuff, you can see how well and actually even better work than those flip kits, because you could adjust and then clamp, tighten it up where you want it, align it where you want it, and lower and tighten and have it badass, man. Tell me what you think about that.